Managing sales shouldn't be complicated. That's why we created SalesWin, a sales-focused CRM built for simplicity, packed with powerful features and available at an amazing low price. But what makes SalesWin truly stand out? It helps sales teams in two key ways: generating leads and managing clients. First, let's talk about lead generation. With SalesWin, you can turn your static website into a lead-generating machine. Use our chatbot to engage visitors instantly or web forms to capture information effortlessly. Leads flow directly into the relevant pipeline, saving you time and effort. Got a prospecting list? Upload it in bulk and let SalesWin organize it for you. Generating leads has never been this simple. Next, let's dive into lead and customer management. SalesWin gives you custom pipelines tailored to your process. With custom actions and outcomes, you can trigger automations and easily track interaction history. The lead inbox allows you to bulk assign leads to team members, while lead views help you track them by status or pipeline step, ensuring no lead falls through the cracks. Visualize your leads in Kanban or list views and take control of your sales process. SalesWin is designed to encourage a clear next action for every lead. Neglected leads are automatically marked as frozen, prompting you to take immediate action and get them back on track. But that's not all. SalesWin integrates with popular emailing and calling platforms, making it your communication hub. Managing a team has never been easier. Set individual or team-wide goals, assign tasks effortlessly, and track progress in real time. And don't worry about sales team changes. Your company leads stay secure, ready to be reassigned without any hassle. All this wrapped in a minimal interface that's a joy to use. SalesWin. More focus, more wins. Ready to revolutionize your sales process? Let's get started. SalesWin, the focus-driven sales CRM.